Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Nugget Ice Maker and the Smug Ice Maker. If you're looking for the best ice maker for your home or office, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll break down the key features, performance, and value of each machine. Let's dive in. The Nugget Ice Maker produces chewable nugget ice, which is often preferred for its texture and ability to keep drinks cold without watering them down. On the other hand, the Smug Ice Maker produces classic bullet ice, which is great for cooling beverages quickly but lacks the chewable quality. Depending on your ice preference, this could be a deciding factor. When it comes to price, the Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $199.99, making it a premium option. In contrast, the Smug Ice Maker is significantly more affordable at $69.99. If you're on a budget, the Smug model offers excellent value for its features, while the Nugget model is aimed at those who prioritize quality and performance. In terms of production capacity, the Nugget Ice Maker can produce up to 35 pounds of ice in 24 hours, making it ideal for parties and gatherings. The Smug Ice Maker, while still efficient, has a lower capacity of 26.5 pounds in the same time frame. If you need a larger quantity of ice, the Nugget model is the better choice. In conclusion, both the Nugget Ice Maker and the Smug Ice Maker have their unique advantages. The Nugget model excels in producing chewable ice and higher capacity, while the Smug model offers great value and portability. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.